Hello everyone, you are welcome to the Delicious Kitchen. Today we are making this delicious egg roll. This snack is a must for everyone that loves good food, but in a very easy way. This is perfect for your breakfast, for your lunch, for even for dinner or for lunchbox when you're going to work. Perfect for school children as well. Let's get it started. I have my eggs that I'll be using in a pot. I added some salt. Salt is optional, but the cold water has to cover the eggs very well for about 2 to 3 centimeters, and then bring it to a boil under high heat and then lower it to middle heat and allow it to cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. It has to be hard boiled eggs, okay? So after that, I'm now going to transfer those eggs into a bowl of cold water for about 5 to 10 minutes. This stops the cooking and makes peeling very easy. You will see your egg, it will come out very clean. I will use this opportunity to say thank you so much to all my returning subscribers. Thank you for your love. Newcomers are also welcome. Please remember to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Now it's time to peel those eggs. Like I've said, after 5 to 10 minutes in that bowl of cold water, it can be easily peeled like this. You can see how I'm peeling it. You're going to see how it's going to turn out to be. I'm telling you, this is perfect. Look at how it looks. That is it. That is the first recipe, how to boil eggs. We name it that way. Now let's continue with the rest of the snack we are making. So that is how I peeled all this. I'll come back to those eggs later. Into the bowl, I'll be transferring the flour I'll be using. For exact measurement, please check the description box, you'll find it there. Now I added baking powder, cinnamon powder, salt into it. Okay, those are the dried ingredients. Now I'm going to give them a good mix together for them to be well combined. Now I'm going to add butter or margarine into it. I'm using butter, so I'm going to use my hand to mix everything together like this, and after that I will add sugar into it. After adding sugar, I mix them well together. It's now time to add milk. If you don't want to use milk, feel free to use water, but I love the result of the milk. Okay, I gave it a gentle mix together to be sure that they all became one, combined well. Okay, don't mix too much, just let it be well mixed, and then it's time to pack everything together and allow the dough to rest. I covered it for about 15 minutes. Now let me prepare the vegetable oil. The snack is going to be deep fried, so I'm going to allow this to heat up. Before using the eggs, I'm going to sprinkle some flour on top of the eggs. This is going to help to stick into the dough. Okay, I sprinkle some flour, and I'm going to also flour a plate where I'm going to keep all the dough after rolling them out. So first of all, I'm going to flour my palms. This is going to make it easier for me. Now I take part of the dough, I use my hand to flat it like this, and I placed one of the eggs into the middle. You can see the way I'm covering it now with the dough. Cover everything together. This is very easy, and it's time to just roll it like this, and the excess dough is going to be cut away just like that, and it's now time to roll it out like a ball. Okay, just roll it roundish like this. Now I kept it on that plate I floured before. You can check your oil with a skewer to be sure it is hot enough. Carefully lower the eggs roll into the oil. Please don't overheat the oil. Fry on the middle heat. If the oil is too hot, the outside will brown before the dough inside is cooked. So please fry on the middle heat, okay, so that you will have everything evenly fried and you will love the results. Okay, turn it around several times until everything is golden brown. Now you can take it out with a skewer. Get your kitchen paper ready so that you can just place them on it. It will suck out any excess oil out of your snack, and you'll have a perfect egg roll. This one is perfect. I'm telling you, it is simple and delicious.